Welcome to Desi Kitchen. Today I am making balushahi. It's an Indian dessert. It tastes like buttermilk donuts. It's a very easy and quick recipe. You can prepare it with few basic ingredients. For making balushahi, first we will make sugar syrup. Add in 250 ml water. I am using milk bottle. You can use any container. Next I'm adding 2.5 cups of sugar. That's roughly around 500 grams of sugar. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can also add 2 cardamom pods. We need to make this sugar syrup with continuous stirring. If we stop stirring it, then sugar we added in the sugar syrup, it will get caramelized, so it can ruin the taste of sugar syrup, so it's very important to stir it continuously. Next I am adding few drops of lemon, literally 5 or 6 drops. It will stop crystallization process. Our sugar syrup starts boiling. We will check it whether it's done or not. Take a clean bowl and drop few drops of sugar syrup. You can see it's not very thick, so we want this sort of sugar syrup. So sugar syrup is not very thick, so it looks done now. So switch off the flame and keep it aside. We will use it later. While the sugar syrup is cooling down, let's make some balushahi. For making balushahi, here I took 1 cup of self-raising flour. You can also use plain flour. If you are using plain flour, then you have to add 1/4 teaspoon of any baking soda. I'm using self-raising flour, so it already has some soda, so I will skip that part. And please make sure when you are making balushahi, then use same container for measuring each ingredient. Here I took 1/4 cup of melted clarified butter or ghee and the same amount of water. Add in ghee and water. Also add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then just combine it with the help of a spoon. We don't need to knead it just like we knead dough for making rotis. We just need to mix it. So just combine it. Make a dough out of it. And then mix it like this at least 8 to 10 times. Then cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the dough out and just mix it again. Then place the dough on pastry board and press it like this. Next we are going to divide it into 2 halves. Then place one sheet of dough on another like this and press it again. Again we are going to divide it into 2 halves. This step will help in making layers in balushahi. Just repeat this process. You can see it already started having some layers. For some more layers, repeat the process until you get enough layering. Now just combine the dough and place it on the pastry board. Next I am going to divide it into 4 equal halves. Just cut it like this. Now I am going to take 1 half and just roll it and make it smooth. And divide it into 4 portions. Then take 1 portion and roll it and give it a shape of balushahi. Next make all the balushahis just like this. Our balushahi pedas are ready. Now next we are going to fry it. For frying, take a pan, add oil or clarified butter and drop a tiny piece of dough. Flame of the gas should be very low. Next we are waiting until piece of dough starts floating. So it starts floating now. So this is a time when we are going to add balushahis. We are going to fry balushahi on very low flame. So try to add balushahi in one go. If not, then you have to cool down oil again for the next batch. So try to add all balushahi at one go. It will take at least 10 minutes to fry it until it turns slightly golden brown. Do not try to flip it in between. At least after 10 minutes you can flip it. Be very careful when you are flipping balushahi. It can break very easily if you don't flip it carefully. Make it turn slightly golden brown from both sides. Then we are going to transfer it directly to the sugar syrup we made. Sugar syrup must be lukewarm at this stage. It shouldn't be too hot or very cold. It should be just lukewarm. Then dip balushahi in the sugar syrup just for 5 minutes and it's done. Balushahi is a very quick and easy recipe. You can see it doesn't require too much ingredients or time. So it's a very easy recipe. You can make it on any occasion. You can see its texture. It's very crispy from outside and very soft and juicy from inside. Hope you guys like my video. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.